So I went to Aldis today and I saw this Thai coconut chicken. It's already fully cooked. And this microwavable white jasmine rice. I'm hungry and I do not feel like cooking anything, so I'm gonna warm this up and I'm gonna see how this tastes. Now it said it says to puncture holes in it and put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me see. Can you see it good? Hopefully you can. It look good. And a little bit of the sauce got on my finger, so I know the sauce is at least good. So let's give it a try. Let's taste the chicken by itself first. On the camera. I like it. It's good. I rate it like a 7.5. For a quick little meal to just throw in the microwave for 4 minutes. Cause I be working hard. Sometimes I do not feel like cooking anything. And I do eat out a lot, which I'm not gonna stop doing that, but some days you just wanna go straight home and relax and eat something real quick, and this is a good meal for that.